Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. In this session, we will discuss about the occurrence of metals and their purification methods. Metals occurs in earth crust, water resources, and rocks, and these can be obtained from minerals. A mineral is a naturally occurring substance with a range of chemical composition, and a mineral which has high content of metal is known as ore. All ores are minerals, but not all minerals are ores. Principal type of minerals: uncombined metals, carbonates, halides, oxides, phosphates, silicates, sulfides, and sulfates. Metallurgy is a process in which a metal is extracted from its ores. There are three principal steps in the recovery of metal from its ores. Number 1, preparation of the ore. Number 2, production of the metal. And number 3 is the purification of the metal. First step is the treatment of ore. In this step, the desired mineral is separated from waste materials, which are known as gangue. This can be done by simple washing, grinding, hydraulic washing, and the most useful method is flotation. Ferromagnetic metals are separated by electromagnet. Production of metals. The production of a free metal is always a reduction process. It may be chemically or electrolytically. A pure metal is obtained by reduction from its combined form, depends on the standard reduction potential of the metal. In chemical reduction, a more electropositive metal is used as a reducing agent to separate a less electropositive metal from its compound at high temperatures. Electrolytic reduction is suitable for very electropositive metals, for example, sodium, magnesium, and aluminum. Reduction processes for some common metals. Here is the decreasing activity of metals. Lithium is the most reactive, while the gold is the least reactive. The reduction process for lithium, sodium, magnesium, and calcium is the electrolytic reduction of the molten chlorides, while mercury, silver, platinum, and gold occur in free or uncombined state, and these can be obtained by roasting. Purification of metals. There are three common purification procedures. Number 1 is distillation. Here, the metals that have low boiling points can be separated from other metals by fractional distillation. Electrolysis. The more electropositive metals are removed by electrolysis process. Zone refining. Here, an impure metal rod is moved slowly through a heating coil. As the metal rod moves forward, the impurities dissolve in the molten portion of metal, while pure metal crystallizes out in front of molten zone. Eventually, the end portion of the rod, which contains mass of the impurities, is allowed to cool and is cut off from the rest of the rod. Vapor phase refining. For example, Mond process for purification of nickel. It will react here. Nickel is reacted with the carbon monoxide to form the carbonate. At elevated temperature, we get the pure nickel. Whereas in Van Orchid process, zirconium is reacted with the iodine, and at 1860 Kelvin, it gives pure zirconium. And the next method is the chromatographic methods. Used for the separation and purification of metals includes TLC, column chromatography, gas chromatography, and liquid chromatography. Here, the separation and purification of metal depends upon its interaction with stationary phase and mobile phase. In details. In future, we will discuss chromatographic methods in details. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.